students, how are you? I hope you all are doing great today. So today we'll be starting with our very interesting and a very relatable topic, that is number system and Roman numerals. Now let's start with the learning objectives. In this chapter we will learn read and write numbers up to 9 digits, expanding value and short form, place value and their face values, comparing and ordering numbers, understand international system of numeration, learn how to round off numbers to the nearest tens, hundred and thousands. Then we will write Roman numerals and their rules. Let's recall. Fill in the blanks to complete the following sentences to recall what you have learned about numbers in the previous classes. The largest 5-digit number is, very good students, that is 99,999. That's how you have to complete the remaining 5 students. Next is our large numbers. The largest 6-digit number is read as 9,99,999. One more than this is smallest 7-digit number, that can be read as 10 lakh. The largest 7-digit number is 99,99,999, and one more than this is the smallest 8-digit number, that is 1 crore, and similarly it can be read as 8 crore. The largest 8-digit number is 9,99,99,999. One more than this is smallest 9-digit number, that can be read as 10 crore. The largest 9-digit number is 99,99,99,999. Now here are the periods. Here's a ones, tens, hundred. Here's a thousand, thousands and 10,000. Here's a lakhs and 10 lakh. Here's a crores and 10 crores. And these are our periods. Now let's look at the expanded and short form. We have already learned the expanded form of a number is the sum of place value of its digit. Here is the standard form. Here is the expanded form, students. It can be written as 3 lakh, as 3 crore, 90 lakh, 5 lakh, 10,000, 0, plus 300, plus 80, plus 7. Always remember, students, the digits in a number are separated by putting commas according to the period they lie in. This helps us to read the numbers properly. Now let's look at the place value and the face value. Place value for digit depends on its place and position, while face value for digit defines the numerical value of the digits. For example, students, the place value of digits this. Here the place value of 9 is 9, 4 is 40, 3 300, 5,000, 10 80,000, 1 lakh, 70 lakh, 2 crores and 10 crores. And the face value is exactly the digits itself, students. Now let's look at the practice time. Students, in the first part we have to write the numerals for the following by separating it using the comma, students. So 1 comma, second comma and the third comma. In the next one we have to write the number names for the following numerals, students. So first one can be written as, very good students, that is 5 crore 78 lakh 22,206. In the next one we have to write the given names in figures. So in figures we can write it as 8 crore 50 lakh 60,435. In this one we have to write it in expanded form, students. So how can we write in expanded form? It will be 40 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 90,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 6. In the next one we have to write it in standard form. It will be, very good students, that is 3 crore 84 lakh 57,321. Now comparing and ordering large numbers. Let's start with comparing large numbers. Remember the following points when two numbers are compared. Here are the different number of digits. If the number of digits and the number to be compared is different, then the number with more digits is greater. For example, comparing the numbers. Now first count the digits in two numbers. The numbers with more digits is greater, and here in this we have greater number of digits. Next is when we have the same number of digits. If the number of digits in the figure to be compared is same, then we will first compare the digits with the highest place value. For example, we will compare the numbers 33. After that we will compare the other numbers. Now we first count the digits in two numbers. The numbers have the same number of digits. Let us now compare the digits at highest value place, that is both are equal, that is 3 and 3. After that we compare the digits at the next place, that is 3 is greater than 1, that means right number is greater than the left one. Next is ordering numbers, ascending order. In ascending order, numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest. These are the numbers arranged in, here is the smallest one, then smaller, then the greater, and then the greatest. Here is the example. We have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order, students. So firstly, we put the smallest, then the smaller one, then the greater one, and then the greatest. Now in the descending order, the numbers are arranged from the greatest to smallest. The following numbers are to be arranged in descending order: the greatest one, then the greater, then the smaller, and then the smallest. Arrange the numbers in descending order, students. So what we did was the greatest one, after that the greater one, then the smaller one, then again the smaller one, and here the smallest one, forming smallest and greatest numbers. The rule is simple, students. Repetition of digits is not allowed. In example number 4, we have to write the greatest 5-digit number using the digits 3, 5, 1, 9, 8, 0, 4 and 2 only ones. In the solution, for writing the greatest 8-digit numbers, we place the greatest digit at the leftmost place and the other digits in descending order. So the greatest 8-digit is this. In example number 5, we have to write the smallest 8-digit number by using the digits and 2 only ones. So what we can do, students, we will place the smallest digit at the leftmost place and then we will write the digits in the ascending order. So the smallest digit number is 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Next is when the repetition of digits is allowed. For example, students, we have to form the greatest and the smallest 8-digit numbers using each of the number twice. So greatest will be, we are repeating 8, and in the smallest one we will repeat the 0, that is the smaller one. Always remember, students, we cannot put 0 as a first digit to form the smallest 8-digit number. However, the smallest 8-digit number formed using the given digit is this. Now let's look at the practice time B, students. In the first one, we have to find out the smallest number and the greatest number in each group. So which one is the greatest number, students? The largest number is, this is the greatest, and the smallest one is, very good, students, this one is the smallest number. Now in the next one, we have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order, students. So here we can mark them as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in ascending order, which one is smallest, students? Very good. First one is third. After that, very good, students, second. After that, very good, students, first, and then fourth. Now in the next one, we have to arrange the numbers in descending order, students. So we will mark them as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which one is the greatest among all, students? Very good, that is second one. After that, which one is greater, students? Very good, that is fourth one. After that, very good, students, that is first one, and last, third one. In the next one, we have to form the greatest and the smallest number using the digits only once. So the greatest number will be, very good, students, 974310, and the smallest will be 103479. In this one, we have to write the greatest and the smallest 8-digit numbers using the following digits. 2 of the digits can be repeated. So the smallest will be, very good, students, 100123778. The greatest will be 88773210. Now let's look at the international system of numeration, students. The number can be read as 100,000 or 1 lakh. Now, it is a 6-digit numeral. In international system, the number 10 lakh or 10,100,000 is a thousand, is called a million, and it is written as 1 million. This space separates the million from the 100,000 and this space separates the thousand from the hundreds. Now, let us write the smallest 8-digit number in two system of numeration. It can be written as 1 crore or 10 million. The international place value chart is given here, students. Here in the ones we have ones, tens. In the thousands we have 100. In the thousands we have 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. In the millions we have million, 10 million and 100 million. Let's look at example number 7, students. We have to write the number in Indian and international system of numeration. So in the Indian system of numeration, we can read it as 36 crore 74 lakh 96,385. In the international system of numeration, it can be read as 367,496,380. 5. Now let's look at example number 8, students. Using international system of numeration, we have to write the numerals for each of the following. First one is very good, students, that is 64,330,256. In the second one, we can read it as 68,200,324. In example number 9, we have to write the following numbers in international system and write their number names. So starting from the right hand and counting by 3, the numbers in the international system can be written as 77,426,480, and the second one can be written as 840,118,762. In example number 10, we have to write it in international system. So international system, we can write it as 790,421,627. Now let's look at rounding off number, students. Sarita said that she weighs about 40 kg. She actually weighs 41 kg. Meena's school is 13 km from her home. She says that her school is about 10 km from her home. The distance between Ronak's school and home is 18 km. He says that his school is about 20 km from his home. In both the cases, the numbers have been rounded. When we round off the numbers, we give the approximate number rather than the exact number. Rounding off the numbers gives a value of the number which is very close to the actual value. Rounding off numbers is very simple. Number can be rounded off to nearest 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Next is rounding off to the nearest 10. To round off a number to the nearest 10, we round it off to the multiple of 10 nearest to it. In general, for rounding off a number to nearest 10, look at the digits in the ones place. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and then round down the number to the lesser 10. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we will round up to the greatest 10. For example, 67 is rounded off to 70. Why? Because 7 is greater than 5. Now, 612 is rounded off to 610 as 2 is less than 5. Now, 965 can be rounded off to 2970. Rounding off to the nearest 100. To round off a number to the nearest 100, we round it off to the multiple of 100 nearest to it. In general, for rounding off a number to the nearest 100, look at the digits at the tens place. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, then round down to lesser 100. If the digit is 5 to 9, then we will round up to the greatest 100. For example, 829 is rounded off to 800. 2550 be rounded off to 2600, and it can be rounded off to 34,900. Now rounding off to the nearest 1000. To round off a number to the nearest 1000, we round it off to the multiple of thousands nearest to it. In general, for rounding off a number to nearest 1000, look at the digits at the 100 place. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, round down to the lesser 1000. If the digit is 5 to 9, round up to the greatest 1000. For example, 8968 is rounded off to 9000. Why? Because 9 is greater than 5. 16,345 be rounded off to 16,000 as 3 is less than 5. And this can be rounded off to 30,000 as 5. So we can round it up. Let's look at practice time C, students. In the first one, we have to write the international number name for each of the following. So what will be the international number name, students? Very good. That is 478,595,000. Very good, students. 496. In the next one, we have to round it off to the nearest 10. So it will be, very good, students, that is 1387900. In the next one, we have to round it off to the nearest 100. So it will be 2348500. Nearest 1000, it will become, very good, students, that is 20,31,000. Know your skill, students. Which of the following can be rounded off? Write yes or no. If the date of exam is 18th, can you round it off to the 20th? Yes, you can round it off. So you will write yes. Roman numerals. Let us learn to convert Hindu-Arabic numerals 1 to 9 to Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols in Roman system which are used to represent different Roman numerals. Roman numerals is Y, V, X and Hindu-Arabic. So 1 denotes V, 5 denotes V, X denotes 10, L denotes 50, C denotes 100, D denotes 500, M denotes 1000. Rules for writing Roman numerals. We will follow some basic rules to write Roman numerals. Like rule 1 is when a letter is used more than once, we will add its value each time to get the number. For example, double I stands for 2, triple X stands for 30, triple C stands for 300 and double M stands for 2000. Always remember students, the same symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times together. The symbol VLD can never be repeated. Rule number 2 says that when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of larger value, then we will add the two values. For example, VII stands for 7, double XVII stands for 27, LXVI stands for 66, CXLV stands for 165, MDCXV triple I stands for 16, 18, XII stands for 12. Rule number 3 says that when a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of larger value, then the smaller value is subtracted from the larger value. For example, IV stands for 4, XL stands for 40, XC stands for 90, CD stands for 400 and CM stands for 900. Always note students, VLD are never subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X only. X can be subtracted from L and C, that is only one time. C can be subtracted from D and M only once. I and V can never be written to the left of L or C. L is never written to the left of C. Now let's look at example number 11 students. We have to write the following in Roman numerals, that is 45 can be written as XLV, 99 is 90 plus 9, that is XCIX, 92 is 90 plus 2, that is XCII, 78 is 50 plus 20 plus 5 plus 3, that is LXXV triple I, 181 as CL triple XI. Now in example number 12, we have to write this in Hindu-Arabic numerals, that can be written as 50 plus 10 plus 5, that is 65. LIII is 53, CDXCIX is 499. Now your skill. Fill in the blanks using Roman numerals. The year in progress is that you have to write in Roman numerals students, that is 2025, you have to write it here. Now practice time D. In the first one, we have to write the following Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals. MCLIV stands for, very good students, that is 1154. Next is 526, so it can be written as 500 plus 20 plus 6, or that can be written as DXXVI. Next is, which of the following Roman numerals are meaningless? Very good students, A is meaningless. That's how you have to solve it. Now let's look at the checkpoint. In the first one, we have to write the following numbers in word form. So it can be written as, very good students, that is 6 crore 67 lakh 30,000 418. Next is, we have to write the numeral for each of the following numbers students. So it is 27 crore 217. We have to write the following numbers in their expanded form students. So that can be written as 10 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 0 plus 2000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 8. In the next one, you have to write the place value and face value of the underlying digit. So underlying digit face value is 7 students and the place value is, very good students, that is 70 lakh. Now in the next one, we have to compare the following numbers and put the greater or lesser symbol. So which one is greater students? Very good, left one is greater. In the next one, we have to arrange the following in ascending order students. So this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which one is greater students? Very good. First one is the smaller one. After that, next is the, very good students, fourth one. After that, very good students, the second one and then the third one. Similarly, you have to do it in the descending order students. Next is, we have to write the smallest and the greatest digit formed by these numbers. So the smallest is, very good students, that is 140378. Next is, we have the number 7676 rounded off to the nearest 10 in, very good students, B option. That's how you have to do 10th and 11th. And in the 12th part, what we have asked students, write the following numbers in Roman numerals. So in Roman numerals, 1343 can be written as, very good students, M triple C X L triple I. That's how you can solve the remaining part students. Now I hope you have understood the chapter pretty well. You just have to practice the exercise questions and don't forget to revise this topic again.